Hey, this is Perry with HiLite Fitness, new brand we're launching, hoping to bring you guys all things bodybuilding and just better understanding of fitness in general. We're going to be dropping a video every Sunday, and we're going to be starting this one off with a pull day. Starting off this pull workout with some body weight rows. I'm using the Smith machine as a bar, just pretty easy to set this up. You can do these a bunch of different ways. I'm doing it with my feet all the way extended, but you can put your knees at about 90 degrees and it's going to take a lot of the weight out of this movement. This is mainly just to warm up my entire back. I'm going to be doing some more pulls after this, so I just want to make sure I'm all ready to go. Second exercise is a machine plate loaded row. I'm going to be doing these independently, so one arm at a time, so I can really focus on what I'm trying to squeeze. Your back is one of those muscles you can't see while you work it unless you have some sort of weird mirror arrangement. So I really have to focus on where I'm trying to feel the squeeze in my back and the stretch as I come forward. At the very beginning of this, I took a while to set my chest into the pad because the less I can move everything else around me, the easier it is for me to optimally contract and stretch my back. Going for about 12 to 15 reps here, just pumping it out with a slight hold at the very end of the movement. Third exercise, switching to biceps, and these are incline dumbbell curls. I'm only using 20 here. These are very hard to do, so definitely not going to be using a lot of weight here. I'm going all the way down to where I can contract my tricep, and then starting again, pausing slightly at the top, squeezing as hard as I can on the way up. By doing it on the incline, you lock your shoulders back and then you don't move your arm forward as opposed to just contracting your bicep, then it becomes a front raise. So these are great if you have trouble just isolating your bicep. And we're finishing off with some plate hammer curls. Basically, instead of using dumbbells, I'm just holding a plate. I've never tried these before, and these actually felt pretty good. I'm trying to keep my shoulders locked in and my elbows exactly where they are during the positive and negative motion of this movement. I'm going for about 10 to 15 here. Somewhere in that range is fine. I just want to make sure I'm keeping good tempo and tension on the bicep the entire time. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you can see all future content.